Hello, how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. How are you today? Good? Great? Or wonderful? I'm good, thank you. A teacher hoje vai explicar para vocês como vocês vão fazer a página 95 do livro. Então, primeiro vocês vão ter que destacar as figuras para que nós possamos fazer a atividade. Students, after you detach the pictures, you have here the royal family. Okay? So here we have the queen, the princess, the king, and the prince. Let's imagine they live in a castle. So this castle, Neuschwanstein Castle in Germany. You need popsicle sticks to make the puppets, okay? So a teacher is going to use glue to make the puppets. Okay, so then I put some glue here, the stick, and I glue the card here. Okay, so then we have the puppets. If you have Lego at home, you can build this castle of Lego, ok? Então, quem tiver Lego em casa pode construir esse castelo de Lego para poder brincar com os personagens do castelo. Okay, the queen, the king, the princess, and the prince. Hi, I am the princess. This is my dad, the king. This is my mom, the queen. This is my brother, the prince. We live in a castle. We live in the castle Neuschwanstein in Germany. Hi, I am the prince. This is my sister, the princess, my dad, the king, my mom, the queen. We live in a castle in Germany.
This is a king, and this is his throne. Where does he live?
In a castle.
This is a queen, and this is her crown. Where does she live?
In a castle.
This is a prince, and this is his cloak. Where does he live?
In a castle.
This is a princess, and this is her crown. Where does she live?
In a castle.
This is a king, and this is a queen. Where do they live?
In a castle.
This is a princess, and this is a prince. Where do they live?